Mother, help me! You and your mother, you want to kill me in this house? You want to kill me in this house? You want to kill me in this house? Okay? Mother, help me! You want to kill me? Mother! You want to kill me in my house? You want to kill me in my house? You want to kill me? You want to kill me? It's it. Mother, please help me! I will kill you. Cannot stay in one place. Cannot stay in one place. Where do you want to go? Who will help me? Please, Mother. Please. You die. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Eh? No, where do you want to go? Go now. I'll kill you. Where do you want to go inside? Go inside. Go inside. When I come, I will continue from where I stopped. You want to run to her as if she matters. Because if she does, she won't be here. What will you do? Tell me, what will you do? One word from you, and I'll beat you as if you were a thief. I'll flog you to death. Must you be here? Take your daughter and go far away. Take her somewhere very far from me. If possible, get a man and get married. You need to get married. Make yourself the woman you are. Be responsible and be useful to yourself. Idiot. I'm so disgusted with you. Nonsense. Why, Sinachi? Let us continue from where we stopped. If I don't kill you.
What are you doing here, Ego? You left your daughter to be maltreated in the hands of your mother and ran here? What kind of a mother are you? What do you want me to do? I don't even know how to save her. She keeps doing this. If she wants to kill her, let her kill her. She should go ahead and kill my child. Is that all you can say? I know grandmothers usually love and protect their grandchildren. Why is Ina's case different? Why? I wish I have the answer to that question. But I do not have the answer to it. I don't know why she keeps hitting my child every day. I don't know. At this point, I'm tempted to console you. I really pity you. But I cannot stand here and watch her being tortured. Please. I'm going to arrest you. If you like, just stay here and keep quiet. I'm going. What's much? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. Just look at her body. She's bruised everywhere. Look at her face. It's all swollen. Nne is leaving a very bad footprint in her heart. And she's going to grow up with so much bitterness. I'm afraid she will not find this funny at all. We can't let this keep happening.
I'm sorry. I promise I will never leave you again. I will stand and protect you. Please.
Mother, you were standing there. You couldn't even save me.
I was helpless. Not like I like the way Grandma is treating you, but I couldn't save you. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Your mother, okay? She didn't mean to do all of that. Just forgive her. Sorry. I'm sorry, my child. I'm sorry. I will always protect you. Okay? Okay, please stand up. Just get up with me. It's alright. It's okay.
Look at it. Look at the vegetable I asked them to shred. So that we can wash this bitter leaf and use it to cook our food for the
Mama, Mama, this your act of wickedness has to stop. My daughter and I do not deserve this. You have to stop it.
If you don't step back from me and keep pointing that your withered finger at me, I will land you a slap. Now tell me, what does you and your daughter deserve? If not worse.
Mama, why are you treating us with so much hatred? Am I not your daughter? She is your granddaughter, for goodness sake. Why are you like this?
I'm in my husband's hut. Yes. I'm in my husband's hut. You said you're in your father's hut. Yes, you're in your father's hut. Obara Musua. Is she too in her father's hut? Where is her father? Take her to her father's hut. She deserves to know her father's hut.
Mama, you know I do not know where Ikenna is.
Then you will accept everything I unleash out on you. Everything I unleash out on you, you take it like that. Anyhow I do to you, you take it. Because this is my husband's hut.
Mama, you are so wicked. You are so wicked.
No, you dare talk to me like that. You do not speak to me in that manner because I'm going to slap you over and over again. Are you mad?
Nebiko, temper justice with mercy. They are still your children, Nebiko, please.
And you were there, she's insulting. What did you do? You're taking sides, right?
No, Nebiko, please. Please,
This little witch was the reason for this whole nonsense.
Mama, my daughter is not a witch. I am respecting you. Do not push me.
And what would you do? Okay, what will you do? What will you do? And I'll choke you to death.
Nebiko,
do nothing.
Nebiko.
Go find a husband. Go to your husband's house. You're too old to still be in whatever father's hut.
Neb, please.
Go to your own husband's house.
Neb, please. They are your children. Whatever it is that is the problem, just embrace them. Is she not your granddaughter? How do you feel seeing her this way?
She is not my granddaughter. Take them away. Take them to your father's hut. Take them with you.
Yes, Ne, I'm going with them right now.
I already gave them to you free of charge. Take them. And make sure you come back early to wash this bitter leaf and make our night food. You waste time, I deal with you. Rubbish. Friends. Get out! Hypocrite. She's standing. Ichi, this thing you're telling me is very hard for me. Considering the fact that you were in fact, almost my late husband's best friend.
Mayoma, listen. You said I was almost your late husband's best friend. No. I am your late husband's best friend. Enyika Nwanne, that is what I am. And he used to call me that. Nwanne the number. There is nothing bad there. The fact remains that in our custom and tradition, it is stated that if a man dies and he does not have a brother that will take over his wife, then his best friend should do that. And that's the reason I have come to you so that I will take over from where my late friend stopped.
I just don't want people to give it a very wrong interpretation. You know, I don't want to be misrepresented. Besides, why did it take you so long to come up with this idea?
Wanyoma. Eman and the buying us no kwengwangwa, na ekwenko okwesiri ejo, ojo ngwangwa na ajukwana nko okwesiri ikwe. So I have to take my time. It's been a decade since you lost your husband. And the feelings I have for you has refused to die. So I felt this is the right time for me to come to you. Forever. No, you can't stay like this forever.
No problem, I've heard you. I'll think about it and get back to you.
Wanyoma, if you ask me, I'll say there's nothing to think about. You already know me. You've known me for decades now.
So, I get you first.
Listen, one thing I want you to always remember is that whenever you see me, you should be seeing your husband. I'm sure you love your husband. As you're seeing me, his friend. Whoever he has accepted, you should accept him. And in the spirit realm, your husband will be happy with you.
It's over a decade he died.
Yeah.
So I am not thinking about love.
So there is nothing there. Just have it in mind that your late husband is watching us. And he will not see this relationship as a bad one. If you ask me, this should be his wish. I am as handsome as your husband. And a beautiful lady like you should remain with a handsome young man like me. Each time you smile, I feel like germinating, honestly. I like that look. It's a look of acceptance. Can I get a hug from you? Who shows that?
Please stop.
No, don't.
How are you? You look tired. Grandma gave you so much work today.
I want to rest. I've not eaten and I'm hungry.
I went to the farm to bring corn. I didn't know I was going to waste so much time. Don't worry. Eat your food. And then you get some rest, okay?
Okay.
Ego, why can't you just do all the chores in the house? At least so that Ne will not bombard that little girl with all the work.
It isn't it that I know. Even if I do everything in that house, she will still find a way and look for necessary things to ask her to do.
I really feel pity for her. I honestly do.
This is the worst kind of life. And as long as I am selling that hot, whatever she dish out to us, we will take it.
I think you should be going right now to check on Sinachi. Because I doubt if your mother will let her rest.
You're right. She won't let her be. I'll go.
Okay. Me too.
Thank because you're here. Obere Ogbanje. Onwadi na nwa. Amos witch, small witch. Fool. Like mother, like daughter. Very worthless set of human beings. Go to the back of the hut. Go and pack those wrappers before I slap you to make you get some sense in your head. You are as small as your sense can be. Idiot. Go and pack those wrappers. Can't you hear what I'm saying? Am I not talking to you? Eh? Until I give you that dirty slap before your eyes will open.
You have done enough, Uno. Today marks the end of the road for you.
Instead of the end of the road for me, it is the end of your life in this land. It is the end of your existence in this life. Go and pack the clothes if I change it for you. No. You are my grandchild. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me now. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. You again? You're here. Please, I'm sorry. Don't kill me. I'm your grandmother. And I love you. You're my only grandchild. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I beg you in the name of the gods. Please don't kill me. I love you. So here you are. So here you are. See the way your face is, pretentiously looking at me. You're looking at me like that after trying to kill me.
No, please, I'm sorry. Please.
Listen, no evil you will unleash on me will ever work. It will always go back to you. Where is your witch of a mother?
She went to the farm. Please, I'm sorry, Nne. Please forgive me.
You trying to kill me now? You're seated here eating my acharo oyibo. Eating my acharo oyibo. Give it to me.
No.
Give it to
No,
me.
no.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Before I use it and hit your head. Are you mad? Amusu no nampo.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill you. Sorry, kill you. It's my own. You got it from my farm. You and your mother, you have nothing. So you must not eat it, else I'll use it to break your head. Wicked witch.
No, please.
It is my own.
No, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
If you talk now, I'll. Wait.
Hey, who told you come here? Hey, this is me ass. Hey, ne.
Greetings.
Hope you're fine. Hey, God. Hey. This man.
Mama, I don't know what is wrong with Ngozi. Her body is so hot. Please help us.
What is wrong with her? Anyway, I'm not surprised. You know, little obanjes and witches, they will always be sick because of the wickedness they perpetuate. What is wrong with her?
I don't know. Her body is hot. Please help.
I should help. How? Am I a healer? Am I a Kemma the healer? Do I look like one? For your own good, take her to a Kemma the healer. If you don't have money to pay her after healing her, you can stay back and serve her until the money is elapsed. Or better, she can live with a Kemma. She will need you to run small errands for her, go pick herbs from the bush for her. She's sick. Maybe I should die because your witch of a daughter is sick. I don't even know if you're the cause of her sickness. Take her to her father. Take her to her father. Small witch and big witch. Look at them. Fat. Go! You know, go and look for a husband that will marry you and you begin to live in his hut. And throw this witch away. Go and give her father. She deserves to know her father and live with her father in his hut. Her body is hot. I don't know what is wrong with her. Everything is Moye's problem. Everything Moye's problem. Look at them.
Have you asked Ine? What did she say?
She knows. She didn't even bother to ask me what was wrong with Ngozi. She insulted me. She does not care.
This is serious. And right now, I'm short of ideas. I don't even know what to do.
I'm finished. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Calm down. I suggest we go and see Ichiamadi. He'll have something to offer us. He's one of your king's men.
Yes, you're right. Ichiamadi.
Yes.
I'll go.
Wait for me now.
Nne.
You better go back to where you're coming from. I have already locked my door. I'm not coming out again.
Nne, please, I beg you. You know that Ngozi is at the healer's hut. She's receiving treatment and she needs to eat. Please, let me take food for her. Please. Nne, please. Nne.
Go back to where you are coming from.
Nne, please, let me just take food and I will go back. Nne. Nne, please. Nne. She's hungry. She needs to eat.
What are you doing here?
So finally you came out. I thought you were not going to come out. Mama, why are you this mean? Do you know that sometimes I wonder if I am truly your blood? How could you be this mean?
How can I be wicked in my own heart? If I came to your heart and be wicked, you have every right to say. It is too early to start arguing and ranting like this. Eh? What do you want? This is my heart. You don't go out and come back anytime you want. What is late? I lock my heart.
Mama, you know Nwasinachi is not well. I took her to the healer's place. I came back to get her food and her clothes. And then you locked the door. Why?
Take everything you need now. Take her rubbers. Take food, but be careful with my food. Because once you come back again late, you sleep outside. I'm happy you now have a new bed where you can sleep. It's even clean enough. It'll be very good.
If you were a good mother, you should be the one taking care of Nwasinachi at the healer's hut. I would not even tell my friend to do it for me. But I want you to know that karma is waiting for you.
Is it your karma? Is it your karma? No, come and insult me. One day I'm going to cut off your wings. Come and insult me.
Where's Nwasinachi? Huh? I hope she's fine.
Of course she's fine. Ego, I'm not happy with you. I'm not the least happy with you. You left us since yesterday. No food.
I'm sorry, Onine. I went home to get food and clothes for Nwasinachi. My mother locked me outside. I thought she was going to change her mind. But she didn't. I had to sleep on the floor.
She did?
Yes.
Well, it's okay. I was actually on my way to find out what was going on with you. Snachi is very fine. She's doing okay. I left her with Ekema the healer. She's asleep right now. So, that's why I came to come and find out what was going on with you. But since we already met here, no need. I'll just go back and prepare something for the evening.
Onye, thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
Don't mention, it's okay. Just hurry.
Of course. I'll see you.
Okay.
Bye.
Is she still alive? I thought she was dead.
Greetings, me. Keep it to yourself, I don't need it.
Eat it if it's food. Stop looking at me like that before I pierce your eyes.
Nne, what is it this time around? Ogini?
It is long overdue. Look at how tired and miserable you were looking. If you had a man, the man will be helping you take care of this witch that is looking at me as if she wants me to hit her face. The man will pamper you, provide for you, touch you well, the way a man should touch a woman. Like I would love to be touched. That is why I want my space. You need a man. A man is important in a woman's life. And it's important to me as well. How have you been? I've not been seeing you around.
I am fine in Ngozi. I have...
Why Ngozi? Call me Ngozi.
Ngozi. Why? How are you and...
Call me Ngozi. I am fine.
Okay. That is good.
It seems you spend more time at Ozara Kingdom than we spend around here.
Yes, because of my plantain plantation.
I see. When next you're going there, I would like to go with you. Come take me. I need to Do a sightseeing. Let me see how the kingdom is. Whether they have this kind of plantain, whether their own plantain is bent, whether the palm trees there.
It is almost the same.
So I need to see for myself.
Okay. Let us see how it goes.
I like your bangle. It's fine. The beads are beautiful. It shows that you're a rich young man. Your mother, my friend, she has a handsome son.
Yes, thank you very much. Anyway, I have to go now.
Are you running away from me?
No. I am actually going to Ozar.
Oh, I see.
One.
I'll see you again.
Yes.
See his backside. Looking so masculine. That's what a young man should look like. In fact, every man should look like him.
Don't worry. Food is good. Don't get yourself. Don't injure yourself.
Okay. Yes.
When I ask you to come and make food for us, it will be very easy for you to do. Don't worry. It's good. Sorry. Are you okay?
Yes.
So now you can please. Are you sure?
Okay. Let me try.
Careful.
Okay, I'll show you again.
Hmm?
Oh, isn't it cutting your hand?
It will not go to your hand. What is going on here? We are trying to roast plantain so we can eat.
So that you could eat.
Yes.
You're hungry.
I'm not laughing with you.
You're hungry. In whose heart? You know, I am sick and tired with this your lousy nature. This effort you're using to roast plantain that is not yours. Why don't you put it to get a man that you will marry? I was married and brought to this hut by my late husband. Is it not better for you to go to your husband's house? Stay there, roast this plantain, harvest it from his own farm, and carry this your third leg.
No, please, we're hungry.
I know.
Mama, what is this?
Is it not better?
Our food.
Which food?
Mama!
What? Want me to pour your own?
Mama!
Quiet. Who asked for your opinion? Quiet! Quiet! That is all you can do. It is this child that's making you to look at any man. I want to read where you didn't know so.
What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment? Why are you punishing us like this, Mama? What have I done to deserve this punishment from you? Mama, I have had enough of your troubles. No one is listening to me now. But when I start, they should not stop me.
Can you lose one more plantain? Like that big one. In that bunch. Cut it and roast it for me.
Mama, it was you that pushed me to Ikenna. I almost got married to him before he disappeared. Nwasnachi is the product of that relationship, and now you're asking me to go and meet another man. Where do you want me to see a man from?
I was going to marry Ikenna. Because at that point, it was the only reasonable tutor you had. I encouraged you as the good mother I am. See the effort you used to do this thing. easy to find a husband. And bring the husband to this hut. You're a good maiden.
Mama, listen to me. If you push me to the wall one more time, I will have no other option than to turn my back at you. Leave my daughter and I alone. Do you understand?
Marry, no. Product of fire, product of child. Is it not a man you have a child for? He will come turn his head and come and marry you. I don't know what you did to that young man. He left you.
I've heard your story, okay? But no matter what happens, she's still your mother. I don't know why she's so bent in getting you married.
I am tired, Ichi. I am sick and tired of her wicked attitude towards me. What did I do wrong? Did I kill anyone? Yes, I had a child from the same man that she pushed me into a relationship with.
We all know your story, and we share your sentiment. Don't worry. I will invite her. I will tell her to give you and your daughter space and peace. But my daughter, give love and marriage a chance. Always pray for a good man to come your way.
Thank you. Ichi, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Please, when you get home, avoid trouble with her.
Okay. I'll go. Thank you.
Look at this witch. What are you doing here sitting by yourself? Doing nothing. You made it go on.
I'm done with my chores.
Really? And who told you that? Eh? Have you fetched the water I asked you to go and fetch for me since?
I'm sorry. I didn't know you asked me to fetch water. Besides, Mother said I shouldn't go out because I'm still recovering.
That makes sense, girl. You shouldn't recovering, but you're still eating. Look at your stomach. You're still eating. Why didn't she say you're still recovering? You shouldn't eat. Eh? Look at how fat it is. You want to finish all the food in the hut. Go and carry the water pot and go and fetch water for me. You and your mother cannot be in this hut, in my own hut, and be lazy. Hurry up! Carry what did you want? If you break my water pot, I'll kill you. Go and fetch me water. You see this water you're fetching? That is what I'm going to use to take my bath and cook the food I'm going to eat. You see this spit I'm going to put on the ground? Don't let it dry before I see you back in this. In fact, have you had your bath today? Have you? Bath in the stream. And bath well. Alright? Go fast, go! Fill the pot. Fill it. If it's heavy on your head, drop it small, rest, then bring it. You and your miserable mother should get lost. I don't need you two around me. Give me space. Look at her. Do not allow me to enjoy in my own hut. Eh? She and her lazy mother cannot be in my hut. Blocking everywhere for me. I will not enjoy my space. I will not enjoy my life. I will not entertain my guests.
Snatchy! Oh, Jim! Snatchy! What are you doing? Who sent you to fetch water? Oh, Jim. Your body is cold.
I insisted that I go and fetch water. And besides, I'm weak and I cannot walk again.
How can that woman send you to fetch water when she knows that you're not feeling well? You know what? Just follow me now. We are going home. Give me that water.
No, I have to go and fetch another one.
Why? Just give me. You can't be carrying this water. You don't even have the strength to talk. Talk less of having the energy to carry this pot home.
And they will kill me if I don't fetch this water, please.
Is that the problem? Don't worry. I will send 2 young men to fetch water for her. Just give me that.
Are you sure she will?
Don't worry, Snatchy. Just give me. No. Good afternoon. Greetings, Nne.
Greetings, Onya. How are you?
I'm fine, Nne. I saw Snatchy at the roadside struggling to carry this water pot, so I decided to bring her home and lend her a hand.
So I can see you are now the one dictating what happens in my heart. Eh? So you are her defender now. You're protecting her. You came back with her, you're hiding behind her back.
Biko, you needed to see her the other day when she fell sick. She almost lost her life. Biko, please.
Oh! You didn't tell me I become a Kemma the healer. That you know when anyone is sick and what to be administered to the person to be well.
No, Biko, please.
Follow her.
I beg of you.
Follow her back to her house.
Please, I beg of you. If not for anything, but for her health, please.
What's Nachi?
She's not feeling fine.
Follow her.
Please.
If you say she's not feeling fine again, you become her mother from today. How did you know? Were you giving her the herbs?
It's just that I was there. Biko, please. Please, I beg you. Please, I will do anything. Please.
Let me give you the cane then.
Please.
Leave that maiden alone. Give her space. It seems you are the one living her life for her. Stop dictating her life for her.
Let me live her life for her. So long as she does what her mates are doing.
What exactly is your problem?
Until she gets married and leave my heart, she will not have peace.
Allow things to take its natural course. Do not force things. It might backfire on you.
Jay, I do not understand what you are saying. My demand is stated clearly. It is void of ambiguity. Jay Amadi, I don't see anything wrong in me finding a man for my daughter.
Of course, you will not see anything wrong in finding a man for your daughter. That's what it is. I'm telling you to please give that girl a space. Stop dictating her life for her.
Ichiamadi, I am tired of Nwakego staying in my heart. Let her go find a man. Since she couldn't find one, I found one for her, and that man she must marry. Yes, you heard me.
I have always told you, give her a space. Stop dictating her life for her. She deserves all the respect. She's your daughter.
Is this why you called me? If that is all, I'll take my leave now.
Nwata fogo egbo ogogo bia onye na-achịkwa mmadụ nwaka azụaka na enekwa gị. I honestly pity you. The hole you are digging, you do not know what is in there. Be careful for the unseen.
You're very stupid. Like, are you very that stupid? Isn't that your cost or what?
Mama, what? Why are you cursing me? Why are you calling me names? Ogini!
You couldn't find a man. And I found one for you. A very good man for you. And you had the guts to report me to Ichiamadi. Reporting me at Ichiamadi. What does it change? It cannot change anything. Because compulsorily, a decision supersedes his decision.
Mama, you need to speak to someone. I wanted to have a witness. That was why I spoke to Ichiamadi. And yes, it will change something because enough is enough.
Don't push me. Don't push me into doing something we will both regret. If you know what is good for you, start liking Ikenna. As a matter of fact, start packing your things because you're leaving my heart as soon as possible. Give me away.
Mom, what is it?
Mother, why does Nne hate us so much? Are we not her family?
I'm sorry. I am sorry for subjecting you to this kind of maltreatment. But I promise you, I will protect you. I will do everything in my power to make sure that you attain a greater height. I wish to leave, but I do not have anywhere to go to. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much for taking care of me. You're not like my grandmother who doesn't like me.
No, don't say that. By the way, you're welcome. Just look. Your grandmother wants you to be strong. She wants you to grow up to be a strong woman. Don't worry. When you're grown up, I'm sure she'll come around and give you all the love that I know you're craving for.
I'm not sure she'll ever like me.
Snatchy, don't say that. I know she will come around. Okay? Don't worry. Now, you have to eat your food. Just enjoy it. I made this special oha soup for you and I know it's your favorite. So right now, make sure you finish that meat and that one and this one.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Imagine this kind of orientation.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Just enjoy your food, alright?
Oh, Evuka.
Greetings, Ngozi.
Oh, you can say Moye. Don't say Nemoye.
You are just like my mother. I have to accord you that respect.
I'm not your mother. I'm just like, but I'm not your mother. So where are you going?
Well, I am taking a walk.
Without your servants? The young men with you?
They are the cocoa farm walking.
Oh, I see.
How are you and your family?
Everybody's fine. I am fine. I'm going to the Omada meeting.
Okay.
And I'm running late already. I had wanted us to discuss something very important.
Okay, if it is not urgent, I am listening.
No, I cannot do it here already. I'm running late. Maybe I should come to your hut. Or you come to my hut if you don't mind.
Okay, I will come to your hut then.
It's alright. I'll be expecting you.
Alright. One.
Alright.
You asked to see me.
Yes, I did. And thank you so much for honoring my invitation. I'm happy you still respect me as your late mother's best friend. So I am very, very honored. Actually, I I requested to see you because I want you to get married. You cannot remain single forever. You are one of the most handsome young men we have in this kingdom. Very hardworking, rich, tall, good looking. Everything in you is like the gods took our time to mold you. And every maiden in this kingdom, they all desire to be with you. And I said to myself, as my best friend's child, I cannot watch you remain single forever. It's time for you to get married. That is why I am offering you my daughter, Nakego, to wife. She's a good maiden, very respectful, very diligent in her chores as a woman. The only thing is that she has one child and you have one child. It makes you two a perfect match. So I want you people to try to work out things. And I believe everything will be for good.
First off, I will say I do not really know her much. I have just been seeing her from afar. But I want to ask, is she aware of this?
No, not at all. She is not. The important thing is you consenting to marrying her, and everything will begin to fall into place. She's a good maiden. She will not give you troubles at all. I've been thinking about it for some time. I just said, it won't hurt.
Honestly, I am sick and tired of our young maidens. They all want me, not for who I am, but for what I am. Because they think or feel I am one of the richest young men in this kingdom. They all want my riches. None of them wants to calm down and build a good home. I am really tired. I do not even know how or where to start.
This one is going to be different.
Oh, yes.
She will serve you like a slave. She will not make demands. Even to ask you for food, she will not. She will serve you for the rest of her life. She will be there for you. As a matter of fact, you will not spend anything. If you want her to follow you now, she will follow you.
I have to take my time. But I will also appreciate you for your concern. You are indeed a mother. Thank you very much. I will get back to you once my mind is fully made up.
And I want the mind to be made up positively. Just think about it positively. I'm expecting your positive response.
Stop it. This is not funny. I don't like what you're doing.
Oops, I'm sorry, my dear. But you know, it's your mother who is very, very funny here. You know, I wonder if she's acting or something.
I wish she is. So that I will understand that all these things that she's doing is just a rehearsal.
Why is she so desperate for you to leave the hut?
Onine, I don't think you know who Ni is. She wants me to leave the hut as soon as possible.
Well, I think Emeka is a really nice man and you should consider giving him a chance. I know he's going to like you and your daughter. And even if he doesn't like Sinachi, which I don't see any reason why he wouldn't because she's so lovable, it's not going to be the way your mom is treating you because Nne has no plans of stopping anytime soon. So you should just think about it.
I will. I will think about it. Let him come first, then I will know what my decision will be.
I trust you and I know you're a strong woman.
Thank you.
I believe you saw when Emeka came earlier in the day. I invited him over on your account. Emeka's mother and I used to be best friends when she was alive. Emeka is one of the prominent young men we have in this kingdom. He is a great farmer. One of the biggest farmers we have in this kingdom. He has large expanse of farmland, so hunger will not kill you. Once you're a hardworking woman, you will eat well.
Ne, why are you telling me all these stories?
Will you keep quiet? I'm still talking. Start preparing. You'll be getting married to Emeka. Yes, I heard he has one child somewhere. I don't know what happened between him and the maiden. I never got married. And you two, you have a child whom you don't even know where the father is. That makes you two a perfect match. You bring your child, he brings his own, and they become siblings. Right?
Mama, I cannot believe this. You want to dash me out to a man just because you want me to get married?
I don't know. What are you doing here? Apart from eating my food, blocking my sight, not allowing me to entertain my guests, what else do you do here? What use are you in this hut? Now I'm asking you. Apart from making me waste food, occupy the space I would have used to entertain so many guests, my friends that will come around, what else do you do? And your witch of a daughter, in fact, creating nonsense and nuisance.
Mama, guests, your friends. Mama, listen, I would not let you dictate my life anymore. I won't marry Emeka. Do you understand? That was how you pushed me to Ikenna. I won't marry him.
So you have the guts to talk back at me. When the time comes, we will know who is the head of this hut and who is the head of this family. Please give me way. Why are you so disrespectful? You cannot even give way for me to pass. We have become mates. The next time you try it out, I'll slap this your face.
Uchie, that is why I'm here. I am the one that is not married. I should be the one desperate about this marriage. I don't know why my mother carried. I don't know why she carried this desperation on her head. She introduced me to a total stranger and she wants me to get married to him as soon as possible.
There are customs and traditions of our people. You do not go to a man's house just like that. It is not possible.
Uchie, please. You have to help me. Talk to her. Even if I must marry this man, let it be willingly. I shouldn't be forced to. At least I'll be able to know the person I want to marry. I should also have the right to say no if I found out that this person is not someone I can live with.
Your mother do not know the implications of what she is after. That is why she is leading this marriage thing.
What do you mean?
Do not worry. I'll send for her and I'll definitely talk to her.
Okay. Thank you.
It is said that a child who do not know herbs on seeing medicinal leaves. We'll call it vegetables. Let's watch her lead this married thing and her plans.
So finally, Obina is coming to ask for your hand in marriage.
Yes, of course, he is. And when he comes to do my wine carrying, I also want him to do it alongside paying my bride price. You know, I don't want any extravagant wedding or something. Any other celebration can come later.
Yes, you're right. Because what is the essence of elaborate marriage? If not for show off. Just do your thing quietly. And then have a beautiful marriage with your husband.
Telling you, some people even go to the extent of doing an extravagant wedding just to impress the villagers. And then they later on chase those same wives back to their father's house.
But it's true. But listen, don't worry about that. I'll follow you to your house now so that we'll plan for everything. Both the wine carrying and the marriage rite.
That's my friend talking.
You know I'll do anything for you.
I'm up here. So you've not swept this side? You're still sweeping since that time? What have you been doing since I asked you to come out here and sweep? Eh? So this small space is what you have not been able to finish sweeping?
I'm sorry. I was looking for the broom.
You were looking for which broom? Eh? Were you not the person that kept the broom? Oh, you kept it?
I forgot where I kept it.
Because you're thinking of how you're going to fly in the night. You're thinking of how to occupy a space you don't belong in. Kneel down here and wait for me. Kneel down.
No, I'm sorry.
Put your knees on the ground.
No, I'm
Do you
sorry.
know what this is called? Do you know what this is? This is called? This is called Apurekwe. This is called Apurekwe.
No, please, I'm
This
sorry.
is called Apurekwe. This is called Apurekwe. This is called Apurekwe. Now, you die. You said your mother said you don't leave me alone.
Please.
Did they bury you and your mothers each in this hut? Did they say you must occupy this space? Must you be in this space? What are you looking in this space? Why don't you two go far away? What do you want from me? Must you stay with me? Even you, the smallest witch, you couldn't make a choice. You couldn't tell your witch of a mother that you don't want to stay here. What are you doing here? Since you don't want to learn from your past mistakes. I think this broom is not working. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Oh yeah. Ngwa. Use your bare hands and start picking the leaves. Start picking! Please, when you know what she's doing. So all to eat food, see her fat stomach. Every food I cook in my hut, she'll make sure she eats double. Eat full. Is that how they pick it? Is that how they pick it? Is that how they pick it? Start picking! Start picking! Stop him! Tell your mother that you don't want to stay here again. Okay. Tell her you must go away. I need my space. I need my heart. I need to live alone and enjoy my life. Tell her not to stay here. Tell her you two should go far away. Tell your mother to look for a husband. If possible, give you a small husband too. Yes. You two should get married. If she's getting married and going with you, no problem. If you're getting married and you're going with her, no problem. Let her marry one husband and give you one small one, your size. Give you your size of a husband. You need it. I'm in my husband's hut. You two should go and stay in your husband's hut. You don't come and occupy someone else's hut and make the person's life unbearable. What are you doing? What are you doing? Until I finish you. Stop picking! I then I come out here. Let me see these things. Not picked up everywhere. Cleared here. What is it smelling like? Smell it. What is it smelling like? You don't know, you're looking at me because you're a fool. It is smelling pepper. That is what it's called. I'll use it to whack your backside. Idiot. Are you still there? But you should go away! Go away! Nonsense.
Leave that maiden alone. Give her space. It seems you are the one living her life for her. Stop dictating her life for her.
Let me live her life for her. So long as she does what her mates are doing.
What exactly is your problem?
Until she gets married and leave my hut, she will not have peace.
Odema, allow things to take its natural course. Do not force things. It might backfire on you.
Jane, I do not understand what you are saying. My demand is stated clearly. It is void of ambiguity.
He can be
giving parables. I don't even blame his mother that I keep dragging me to him.
Oh, why your ma?
Greetings, Jane.
I'm actually on my way to your house.
It's alright.
Yeah. This one you're not looking good. Is there anything the matter?
Is it not Ichi Amadi? You know, he's my late husband's near kinsman. I don't know why he's always dabbling into my affairs.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him. Just ignore him. Huh?
You said you are going to the...
Yes. I'm going to your house.
Let's go together.
Okay. So,
and where do you think you're going?
Mama, I told you now. I'm going for Onye's introduction.
You told me?
Yes.
Do you know you're so shameless? You should be ashamed of yourself. You want to attend Onye's marriage. And you want to look more beautiful than the owner of the occasion. Is Onye not your friend? You are going to celebrate her. In your own case, I had to look for a man for you. Instead of you to appreciate me, you're claiming right. Now you're decorating yourself to go and attend someone else's marriage. When would I attend your own marriage?
Ne, can I attend this introduction in peace? Is it possible?
Think on when people will gather on your account. Think on when people will gather to celebrate you. Shameless fool. Look at her. You don't have one single shame on your face. Idiot.
Are you aware of the arrangement your mother made?
Yes. She told me about it.
So, what do you have to say about it?
Nothing. If you're okay with it, then I'm fine with it.
We did not get to meet each other the last time I came. That is why I am here, so we could have a little talk and get to know each other very much. Maybe go out one of these days, take a walk to the stream or my cocoa farm, and get to know each other very well.
All right, no problem.
Okay. See you around.
Hi. Nachi, can you talk to me? Your grandma has been out since morning, so I know that no one beat you up. What is it? Why are you sad?
It is about that man. Are you going to marry him?
Listen, my child. This discussion is between two adults. You do not know anything about marriage.
I know well enough that you didn't get married to my father and he left you when you were pregnant. And you don't know about his whereabouts.
I am not surprised that you know so much. But why are you sounding scared?
Grandma might be wicked and mean to us, but I don't want to go to another place and experience that kind of level of wickedness.
Listen, my child. You have nothing to worry about. I will make sure that I make the best decision for us. Okay? No one will ever come in between us. And I pray that someday your father will look for us. You especially. Alright? You have nothing to be scared of.
I love you, Mother.
And I love you too, my child.
How do you see my daughter? I hope you're pleased with her.
Yes, she is all that you said she is. I like her personality and calm nature.
That's fine. Her patience is second to none. She can endure anything you can imagine. The hardship, the insults, the pain, whatever it is that comes forth. She'll bear it. She'll make you a good wife. She'll serve you for as long as she lives. Anything you want, however way you want it. And trust me, she'll make you a good wife like I told you earlier.
We are in the process. We have to get to know each other very well. Gone are the days when two strangers end up in one house as husband and wife without getting to know each other.
You're right.
I'm ready.
Mr. Poniro, smile.
She will.
Umoka. See how handsome he is.
What's going to be
Smile.
Laugh. What's go? We want to take a walk.
Just a walk.
Yes.
You can take her home. In fact, keep her for days. So that you can get to know each other well. You cannot know her from a distance, not from just a walk. But when you begin to come closer and closer, you know her better.
Oh, Belle.
Make sure you two enjoy yourselves. Let's have Funiru now. Smile now.
She will. Let us go.
Ego. I want you to do the extraordinary. Do not disappoint me. Perform. Laugh. In fact, whether the things he's going to say, whether they are funny or not, laugh. Let your face be so bright. Everything, laugh. Just keep laughing. Keep making him happy. Because if you disappoint me, I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Go. As I tell you now, just... Go. Laugh. I'll see you.
This visit is a surprise to me.
I came to see you and to talk to you.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
You are not a good friend to my daughter. You're a very bad person.
Please now. What do you mean by I'm not a good friend?
If you were a good friend to my daughter, you would have advised her to marry Emeka. You have your own man. You've done your own introduction. Have you not?
This accusation is not fair. It's not fair. I can only talk to her to the best of my capacity as her friend. The decision is left for her to take.
Like I said earlier, if you were a good friend, you would have advised her to marry Emeka. If anything should happen and she does not marry Emeka, I will hold you responsible. In fact, I will put it in the record of my head that you are a very bad person. Yes. Now you have your own man. You do not want her to have her own. You want her to remain single for the rest of her life. Right?
Mama, your daughter and I are not in any competition, please.
Then advise her in the right direction. Tell her the things you did to get your own man so that she will do the same. You're a very bad person and very wicked.
What is all this? Nachi, this one you're not eating. I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go on. What is it?
The man that my mother wants to marry, will he be wicked to me? And will my mother abandon me with Nne?
Your mother will never marry someone that will treat you badly. He is going to be your stepfather, and I'm very sure that he will give you all the love and care that you deserve. So, what I want you to do is wipe away all the fear that you have in you and just don't worry about anything, okay? Everything is going to be alright. Nano, it's okay. Hey. Just look at him. What a pleasant surprise!
How are you?
I'm fine. Evuka, you're welcome.
Thank you. She asked that I must bring her here.
I'm delighted to welcome you to my humble heart.
It's fine. I have to be on my way. Thank you for the time, the company, everything. I really appreciate.
I see love in the air.
For taking me around and for bringing me here.
You're welcome. One.
Go ahead.
I think he's a nice man. I like him.
Yes, he is. We're still getting to know each other.
Okay, so before I forget, when I was here earlier, she almost brought down my heart.
How? She's aware of my outing with Emeka, so what would she be doing here?
You know your mother. In fact, come, let me tell you the whole story.
I can see you and Emeka are getting along very well. It will not be a bad idea if you will pack your things and move into his hut, so that you two can continue with the relationship over there. When you two are certain, he can come and pay your bride price.
Are you listening to yourself? No, can you listen to yourself talk? Why will I do that when I have enough space in my father's house? I am going to take my time. Don't rush me.
Oh, you don't know what is going on. What is going on is that you do not have any space in this hut anymore. Yes! Accept the fact that Emeka is already your husband. I hope you're not listening to stupid advice from that your stupid friend.
Take my friend out of this. You are selling me cheap to this man. Can't you see it? My goodness.
Do you have value before? No. You think you have value and you are in my heart giving birth to a child. People that have value, people that have value, they get married as soon as they just get married. You are here dragging one side of the hut and you say you have value. Stupid value. Because it's in your poor. Which value? So you look at yourself very well, you say you have value. Who added the value? There is no value without a husband. Idiot. Nonsense. And value. Selling me cheap today. You should be happy that even the young man looked your direction. Because of me. Because I'm his late mother's friend. I did not call you here for so many reasons. I just want to tell you to take Ego with you. I did not say come and marry her. Take all the time in the world. But I want you to take her with you. Keep her in your heart. For as long as you want. You know, you people staying together will make you to know yourselves better and faster. The earlier the better. Take her with you.
Well, I do not have issues with it. Though you are being a bit rushy, but it is fine. If she is cool, I am okay.
You know, you are the man in the relationship. You're the man here. You mustn't do her biddings all the time. Heed to what she says. Sometimes yes, but not all the time. And if I say something, you must do everything I say with immediate effect.
Nwoye, this is a relationship. We must have a mutual understanding. And that is what we are trying to do.
It's all right. It's all right. Just do it and go yefe.
So, Bado, I will take my leave, sorry.
It's alright.
One. You are welcome to my hut.
Thank you. Do you stay here alone?
Well, I will say yes. But I am not always here. I have a business in our neighboring kingdom. So if I'm not there, I am here. It will continue like that until I must have found a wife.
Okay. I know that hopefully you will make up your mind.
Sure, I will. Please, come make yourself comfortable. Sit.
Ego! Ego!
Onye? Is that you?
Greetings, Nne.
What is it?
I haven't seen Ego for this now, so I decided to come and check on her.
Oh.
Is she home?
Is that one? Akofo. Is that a new story? It's an old story now, because it happened long ago.
Yeah, I don't understand.
She's with Emeka. Onyekwelu. Agria.
She's with Emeka? Nne, how come? Are they married?
What if they're not married? Or be hojo? Is it a bad thing? Is there a taboo in our kingdom that a man and a woman will not be living together? But if they do, is a taboo if they're not married?
I'm sorry, Nne. It's only a question I asked. I'm just so curious.
You asked the wrong question. Whether they are married or not. She's there with Mwasinachi. I don't know who they are married, whether her or her child. All the same, they are both living happily with Emeka. Can't you say I'm enjoying my life? No longer complain. Nothing is biting my body again. See me cut pawpaw. Took a large chunk and ate it until I finish it. Not, excuse me, that fat stomach girl that wants to eat everything to herself. I just heard somebody shouting egg. I didn't know it was you.
Nne, I'll be going now. Thank you.
If you want to go. But you can equally stay here if it looks like your husband's house so that can be helping me to clear the place. Huh? Ask him if you can go. Stay now. Gossip. You are the good one. I'm the bad one.
Ego.
Yes.
You have really tried. You have done enough. My servants will finish it up.
I am almost done with this.
Do not worry. Okay? They will finish it up. Just come and rest.
If you insist.
I insist.
That is where I want it.
Oh, really?
Oh,
that's
so that it will be reaching everywhere.
Don't worry.
I don't want it half and half.
Don't worry. That's the
It's better.
You need some.
You know, I know how to shout.
I'm telling you. You see, now we have the whole house to ourselves. So you did a nice thing.
That was why I sent her and that her useless child away. Did I force her to go and have a child before marriage?
You did a nice thing. But one thing is this, one advantage here is this. You know you shout a lot, the way you scream.
Because if I shout, this child will come to ask what the matter is.
Number one, yeah. Well, I think I'll have to start going now. Yes. When next I'll come, I'm going to, since that she's no longer in the house, I'll sleep over.
And that is why I always want you to pass the night.
I'll sleep over so that I will have it to the fullest.
That's what it's supposed to be.
I'll give you all the styles. Hi, utondum. Neno, idikasira chawaracha.
Oh, the woman.
Neno. Odara micham. Let's go before people will meet us.
Let them meet. Am I owing anybody? You know where my husband is? Should I be afraid of someone in the grave?
Hey, Wanyoma. I'm a maybe in age. Mana, hey, my woo. I don't make a budget at 12 John. Maka, hey, man. My name is Anjimai.
Your wife should always understand.
And I understand the man out from Munyenze. What am I?
Nina, me one.
I got name. I got name. No
problem. I'll see you again. Hey.
Greeting, woman.
Greetings. So who are you?
The day you allow Nwakego to get married, that same day you will die. Be warned.
What kind of a dream is this? Ever since Nwakego left this hut, this dream has been frequent. And sometimes it's so real. It doesn't look like a dream anymore. I just saw Ichekole off now. I don't even know when I dozed off. So let me rest. I need to talk to someone about this dream. No. It's not right. I'm drunk. Yay! Shaman, I don't understand. What is funny with what I narrated to you now? Why are you laughing at me like that? What? No. That is not possible. I will not die. I will not die. Never. I will not die.
Is there no solution?
There must be a solution. There must be a way out of this whole quagmire.
I knew a day like this will come.
Then I have come. What would you have? What are we going to do about it? What do we have to do?
There's no solution. There's no way. Nwakego's lineage must continue.
But she's a girl child. How can she continue her father's lineage when she's a girl child? She's not a man.
When she gives birth to a male child, that child is our own. She's ours. It continues her lineage.
In that case, I will not allow Nwakego to get married. I will stop the marriage by all means.
Whatever you are planning, whatever you want to do, please don't hurt that innocent maiden.
My life is important to me. I will not watch my life being snuffed out of me. I must not die. What have I done? What have I done to myself? This family I am married into, I've always known from the first day that they are very wicked. What did I ever do wrong? Where did I go wrong? No wonder Ijamade allowed me to be stressing myself. No wonder Ijamade allowed me to be stressing myself.
Hope you're enjoying your food.
Yes. Good. Oh, come. Sit. I sincerely want to thank you for taking good care of me. You have been doing that with ease and peace. That says a lot about you.
You're welcome. Thank you for letting me stay with you. I find peace here. At least my daughter and I can smile. Thank you for always showering us with so much love.
That is the least I could do. Plus, both of you are under my roof. I think it is my responsibility to take care of you, to make sure you are safe. But honestly, I do not know why I accepted your mother's offer. But I must say, I am beginning to enjoy it. I like a lot about you. And I want to thank you one more time for everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And I can also say same for you. You're a good man. A gentleman to the core. Thank you for everything.
At this point, I think it feels right to say that you and I are in this together to establish a good relationship and end up as one.
So, have you gone to check on Nne ever since you moved in with Emeka?
Visit where? No, I have not though. I should leave this peace of mind that I'm enjoying in Emeka's hut and go to where? No, it's not possible.
I'm so happy for you, my friend. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I went to search for you the other day at your mother's hut. When I got there, she told me that you have moved in with Emeka, and I was really surprised.
Onini, you don't have to be surprised. Because if you see the kind of enjoyment, the peace of mind that I have in Emeka's hut, you'll be so happy for me.
My dear friend, I am so happy for you. Honestly, so happy. And when you walked in here, I saw happiness all over you.
You can say that again.
So tell me, what's stopping you both from making the marriage plans?
Well, it's one step at a time. I know he will do the right thing.
No. Alright, so we'll just wait.
Of course, we'll wait. So tell me.
My friend.
How have you been?
Just coping. I really do miss a lot of things, especially Kena.
Ọmarịcha nwa. Nwaanyị dịka sị racha n'eziana. Ugogbu ụmụ nwaanyị.
I am not in the mood. In fact, you did not see me this morning.
What
happened?
Stop. Why are you? Ugobem. Otondum. Who must have provoked her to this extent? To the point that she will have to react to me this way. No. Something must be wrong. I'm sure something is wrong. I must find out what the problem is. I must find out. Ugubem just walk past like that? No. Must find out.
I want to inform you about my decision.
Okay. I am all ears.
I have decided to make you my wife. I want us to go see your mother.
That would be nice.
I want us to do that tomorrow. And any of your uncles that is available can still be there. I need to make my intentions known to them. I want to tell them what we have decided.
Thank you. Thank you for finding me worthy to be your wife.
Whatever I do for love. I want to have a woman I will always come back to. And you are that woman. Thank you for agreeing to marry me.
This is a very critical story that you just narrated now. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say about it.
Ever since I found out, I've been so restless. Wouldn't this mean that I married into this family? That means I lost everything.
Well, I think you have to take it easy. At least we still have enough time before she gets married.
I will get in touch with Emeka. After all, I was the person that introduced and brought them together. I will undo everything I have done.
No, you do no such thing. No, don't go that way. If you told that part now, it will look very, very suspicious. People will think you're chasing something or something is after you.
I do not care. At this point, I do not care.
And Wanyoma, I still insist you calm down. Calm down. When I come up with something reasonable, a reasonable solution, I'll let you know. Just calm down. Leave this to me. Let me handle it. Huh? calm down. I know your mind, your heart is on fire, but just calm down. Come on, Butu. Butu. Let's not do something we'll regret.
You are welcome, my son. Thank you, Chair. I've listened to you about your intention to marry my daughter. That's a good one. I'll get in touch with the rest of the members of my family. I will fix a date. Thank you so much, Ichie. I also appreciate the warm welcoming. When an elder sees that a child is going through the right direction, that elder should be very happy. Like what just happened. You're right. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ichie.
Newoye will have good news for you.
I'm listening.
Nwakego and I have decided to get married, having stayed together for a while. We have seen that the feelings are there. It is mutual. We just have to make it real.
There'll be no need for that.
Why? Makagini?
You will not marry her now or forever. So I advise you stop all preparations.
Nay, I do not understand. Is this a joke or something? You practically talked us into this relationship. And now we're ready to get married and you're saying it will not work. How?
I am your mother. I know what is best for you.
Why the sudden change? I am surprised.
You will not understand. It is beyond the scene. But very soon, everyone will understand.
No, Nay. Emeka and I will get married, whether you like it or not. And today is going to be the end of you telling us what to do and what not to do with my life.
Don't you dare me. Don't think you have grown wings to talk back at me. The earlier you get this into your head, the better for you. You are not getting married, Emeka. So start now. Better go to his hut and pack your things back to this hut.
I will not do that, Nay. Nay!
Chalo. Onro come now. What is happening?
I do not understand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened back there. That is how my mother is. Please, you have to calm down.
At a point, I thought it was a joke. But now it is obvious this is no joke. But what could be her reason? This whole thing is weird to me.
I really do not know. I know that my mother has been a pain in my neck, but I've had enough of her. I would not let her control my life anymore.
Listen, I understand how you feel, but I think it has not gotten to that extent. Let us listen to her when she's ready to talk. There could be a reason.
What reason? There is no reason to justify what she did.
I still cannot imagine this. But it is fine. Just get me drinking water, please.
Of course.
Welcome, Ne. Let me get a seat.
No, don't worry about it.
Ne, this one that you're here this time, hope all is well.
All is not well. I just want us to have a talk. A very serious talk.
In that case, let me get
Don't worry about the seat. I can take the please, have you visited your friend of yours?
I plan on going there after I finish with the mace. I have to go and see my husband, so I will just take advantage to go there and see her.
Please, go and see her. And tell her that I said she should come back to the hut. She is not marrying Emeka anymore.
Why the sudden change of mind? Isn't it you that was telling me that I should advise her to marry Emeka? And now that they are getting along, why the sudden change of mind?
Why are you judging me? Is that why I came here? I came to tell you something and you're reminding me of my past deed. Who made you judge? I just want you, as quickly as possible, as a matter of urgency, to go see Ego. That same energy you used to advise her, let's use that same energy to advise her to come back to the hut. That I need her back as quickly as possible.
Yeah, with all due respect, Mbano, you cannot tell me to go there when you know the way to Emeka's place. See, and before you came, I was preparing to go somewhere, so I have to finish with this and then go and do what I have to. I have to meet my husband. Biko, Odi.
Ewo. Akwo oso onye n'isi ya ka m nọzi. Gbaje. Ngwana. What is wrong with you? For what reason with me? Is that human being is talking to you? So you want me to die?
I cannot. Because you keep going astray. Those two just left my house. I gave them my blessing.
What? You did what? Hey! You're a very wicked man. In fact, you're a wizard. No wonder they called you Amandianese. Yeah, but I should have been saying all this while. Hey! You know full well what will happen to me. Yet you gave them your blessing. You know what will happen to me if that maiden gets married. Yet you get your blessing. You opened your mouth to say, I gave them my blessing. Hey! At this age, you don't want to do good. You still want to do evil. You open your mouth and say, I am going astray. You are going astray. When I was going astray, what did you do? So your mind, you are going to kill me. As I'm dying, you're coming after me. You will not walk this earth once I die. You're coming after me. After all, you're too old and you're going to die.
She has her life.
Which life?
I cannot compromise it. When you are done, leave my compound.
So me, I don't have a life. As young and beautiful as I am, I don't have a life. The ghost of our land will pay you back. They will pay you back. I got you okay? Hey!
Ngozi, I do not understand. You know how much time it took you to convince me?
It is not my fault, Emeka. It is beyond the sin. You cannot marry her.
I am sorry, Ngozi. But you have to explain to me. You have to tell me the reason I cannot marry your daughter all of a sudden.
I am heading to your hut now. Since she has refused to come back to our hut, I am going to personally pack her things out of your hut.
Mama, leave me alone.
Come, let's go.
Mama, this is not your
Go
hut.
in there and pack your things.
Mama, this is not your hut. You will not try all these things you're doing in your hut with me.
Let's go.
Mama, I will retaliate. Leave me alone.
Go in there and pack your things.
I am not going anywhere.
Let's go.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
I don't want it to happen again. You're living with me. Go in there, pack your things. Let us go to our hut. You have a hut. You have your father's hut. He's waiting for you.
I will not go anywhere with you. Nay, I will not. Leave me alone.
You're going with me.
Nay, leave me alone.
Enough! Enough is enough. I have taken enough from you. Please, leave her alone.
I don't even have your time.
No, go get 7 poor.
I know I asked you to come for my daughter.
Yes.
But that offer is no longer available. I am going to my hut with her.
Why? Why? 7 poor, Biko.
It is beyond the same. You won't
Yeah,
understand.
I will push you. 7 poor?
Why you let him talk to me like that?
Get in here.
Why can't go? You let him talk to me like that.
Recall this.
Huh? Naba, Naba.
Mama, come on. I don't want to go.
Mama, I want to go. I don't want to go.
Mama, stop saying
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I
Let me
don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Mama, go home.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Mama! Mama, stop this thing you're doing. Go home.
I don't want to go.
Ha! I was just on my own. I was on my own. She came to beg me to marry her daughter.
Please, it's okay.
Listen, honestly, I do not like this. You need to warn your mother. Because let this not happen again.
It won't. I'm sorry.
Get your job. What does she want?
I don't know.
Stop now.
Stop.
Stop.
Look, you're not feeling fine. Eh? And it's affecting this new relationship of ours. I'm not happy about it. Now, I think I know what the problem is. I am going to help you out of this problem.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How? Please help me. Please.
Okay, now listen. I am going to take you to the great Ikuku. He's a very strong medicine man that stays in our neighboring village. Yes. I'm sure he has solution to this problem.
When are we going? Can we go now? I am ready.
Mwanyoma, just calm down. Prepare yourself. By sunrise tomorrow, I'll take you there.
No problem, I'm ready. Just that I'm so scared. Remember what the chairman said to me? And the intricacies and the intrigues of what I'm about to do.
Listen. Mwanyoma, whose report are you going to believe?
Is it that of Amadi? I know the custom and tradition of our land even better than him. So just put some smiles on this face. We will solve this problem together. Huh? Omadi Cham. Utondum. Ugebumu wine. Neneweziano. Hey, Udarami Cham. Hey, Wanyoma. Why de Kasira Chavaracha? Ugebumu wine. Hey!
You are welcome, my people. This is what our in-law to be they brought. They want to marry our daughter. Kaigabo Zubon, Ugunogun Kuatino Nukambada.
What has none yaman larola? In a way, yaman larola. No, what kind of a child is this?
Hey, what is it? The worst has happened.
What is it again?
As I speak to you now, Iche Amonya Neze is about to hand over the wine to Wagi. As we are talking now, I'm telling you, the worst has happened.
Chima!
Hey! What's the need?
You can see that. My daughter, please come forward. My daughter, take this wine and show us your husband.
Okay, no.
This is not how to run. As if I know, so now I'm also coming in nation and I am with Ara.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Hey, Moyo. Moyo, wake up. Don't do. Hey, hey. Adwememo. Utondum. Hey, Utondum, get up. Get up, Utondum. Get up. Don't do this. Don't do this, Utondum. Hey. Oh, hey. Oga, ukwana ngokwa manya o. Hey.
Thank you. That is how it is done. From today onwards, I pronounce you man and wife.
He said,
You shall have a male child and a female child.
he said,
Unu azụcha ụmụ unu azụkwa unu.
he said,
Otu a ka ọ ga-adịgide ruo mgbe ebighị.
he said.
All right, welcome.
You may not take your wife home.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Guardian Eva. Guardian Eva.
She was a childless woman. Your father decided to go outside the wedlock because he didn't want to marry another woman and hurt her. He met a maiden, and very easy at that, the maiden got pregnant. Just as easy as that. And she gave birth to a girl child, which is you. And soon after that, she passed away. Your father and his kinsmen went and brought you home and handed you over to Ngozi to train you. Like I said, fortunately for your father and unfortunately for your mother, the mother had a child, a male child. By our customs and tradition, the day you will marry, she will die. She do not know the implications of all this. All she's after is to inherit what belonged to your father. I am your father's only uncle, and your father was the only son.
Gee, what sort of tradition is this? Eh?
Our customs and tradition has always been there. There's no way you can change it.
Gee, but you should have told me. You should have told me all this. What?
This is the right time for you to know. Because the child will give birth to Onuoha, who takes after his father. And there's nothing you can do. That is our customs and tradition.
Indeed. Some tradition would never change.
Customs and traditions of our people is their identity. You cannot change it.
So that is what I found out.
What a pity. And this explains why she never showed an iota of care for neither you or Sinachi.
Exactly. She was pushing me to get married. Just to get rid of me and have the hut all to herself. Forgetting that the house belongs to my father.
It's okay. She's already gone. And I believe her soul is resting in peace now.
Yes. I forgive her. I forgive her with all of my heart. And I miss her. I mean, she played the role of a mother. And I guess that what she offered was the best she could. I am Butemeka, all because of her. And I'm grateful. I am only angry because no one told me anything. It's okay.
Yeah. The deed has already been done. What you should do now is just focus on building your family. Divert all that energy to building your future. By the way, how is my little baby doing, Snatchy?
She's doing well.
Oh, that's good.
Now I can comfortably say that our meeting was ordained by the gods. At first, I thought it was a joke. I never knew it was going to work. But here we are, seated. I want to tell you that nothing has changed. Irrespective of everything, after the marriage ceremony, your mother died. I thought it was going to change the whole thing, but that never did, and it will never change anything. I will love you forever.
I love you too. I am glad that my days of sorrow and sadness are over. With you by my side, all is well.
And I will be here forever. I will stay by you, fight for you, love you the best I can, make sure you are safe. I will protect you and Dada, fight for you, make sure you are safe. My life will never be complete without you. This love is genuine. Come. Where is Masinachi? Adanneya.
She's inside, sleeping.
Oh, she's sleeping already.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.